Warning: the following video contains explicit language which may be offensive to some viewers or inappropriate for children. The content within this video is intended for mature audiences only.
Get sitting big. Hold on, dog.
Man, Jerry, what I did on
Me, man. Barrow. Hi, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourself. And I hope you enjoyed that last video. Hit after hit. Laurie's here with me too. Big up yourself. And me and Laurie's touching it early this morning. Well, early this morning, guys. Pushing it out, heading down the line. And we're going to link up with a few friends. Mosquitoes in my car. That's not good. I'll wind this window down in a second, let that bug out. I don't like that. I probably got in when I was loading the cars up with all the gears. As you can see, we're fully equipped today going out, guys. So, didn't want to leave out Laurie today because it's one of her favorite beach spot and chilling spot where she can swim and she can hang out. So, I'm going to let her do that today while I throw some lines and get out there with Jamaican shore fishing and see what we can pick up. Stay tuned. We are out here. Bless up yourselves. There's shore fishing. A little bit of mishap here this morning. I don't know what's going to happen, but the sun is coming up, but I got a little bit of rain. I don't know how we're going to fix that issue, but let's see what happens. That's just fishing. It happens. I didn't know the weather up here was going to be rainy this morning, but what I'm trying to do is just beat some time and hold up the line, guys, because that rain this morning is not working out too good for us. But let's see how it works, right? Stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. Spots and Rio Bueno Trelawney, guys. So let's stop here, and I'd normally cast out to those from over that old dock. This is an old molasses dock, but I see I have access from this point right here where I can actually cast out. And see if I can pick up a barra from here, guys. The oars all hitched up. Look. See if I can go on the other dock. Chopped it out there, guys. I hit a barra out there already. Goddamn dogs, that's annoying. I'm on a move, guys. Something hit after it a while ago and missed. Definitely don't want to get my lure hitched up. Just standing on this wall, guys, get a bird's eye view cast. See what I can pick up out there. Straight out there, guys. Alright, there we go. Gotta hit a barra. Gotta hit a barra on this lure. Abandoned fort. I don't know if I can still. I took my wallet, my keys, my phone, everything. I left everything in the car just in case I fall in here. I made sure I took everything out of my pockets because I don't know how strong these things still are. I've crossed it a few times already. Never gave me any issues before, but hopefully today don't give me any issues and I don't bust my shit and fall off of here, or this wood actually breaks and I fall in. This is a tricky situation, guys. I be doing some crazy stuff in fishing all the time. You guys know this. Oh shoot, we got big sea grapes back here, guys. Look at this. Holy smokes. I haven't seen big ones like this in a long time. Look how big these are, guys. Check it out. I'll pick some for Laurie when I go back. Oh my God, these are sweet. Sea grapes, guys. This is an oaf pear. Dogs are all the way over there. I hit a barrow over here before. Got away. Hate for that to happen this morning. Let's see if we can pick up on the magical spoon lure. Oh, I see something move. I see something move a while ago. Guess he's seen that glitter. Long jaws. Get out there. Spoon lure guys in the sun just peeking up. Making shore fishing. Ooh, long jaw hit it again. Dang it. Them long jaws are a pain in the behind, guys. Alright, let's get over there. Let's get closer to them poles. I don't want to get hitched on them, but closer to the dock. Alright, closer to that pole. I had a big jack hit my line one day right here. I couldn't even control it how big the fish was. Spoon lure not picking up, guys. Oh, nothing yet. Nothing yet, guys. Let's get over on this side without hitching up and see what we can pick up from the shallows coming back to us from this side, guys. I haven't seen Gio and Nell, none of the guys on the beach. They built a tent church on the beach or something of the sort. And we're parking that parking lot next to the beach. And get my stuff on the beach so I can start fishing. Drop line fishing like I had planned. And a little bit of lure fishing. So stay tuned for that. Not much on the lure up here as I expected on this side, but I've gotten a few hits up here before, guys. I'm not calling it dead yet. There's a whole bunch of jackfish and a whole bunch of other stuff running around here. A whole school of baby jacks under here. Nothing on the lure, guys. Oh my God. I need me a pocket full of these things for Laurie. She's gonna love these. These are the big ones. All right, good. Not getting nothing there. I'll try over here again. Little cast. Yeah, these guys got that net set out there, so it's gonna be a problem, guys. We're gonna set it off. We're gonna head to a different spot. Might end up back on the beach over there, drop lining. Who knows? Stay tuned. I go over Super channel and check out his channel. He has a YouTube channel also, but I don't think Super is videoing today. And then you have Barrow, you have Gio, Barrow, I have Nell Bell and Larry in the building, guys. So we're here at Pear Tree at Ron Spearfishing HQ. Pick up yourself, Ron, but they're HQ. You know me already. We'll push out and we'll come out here and try to kill something. So yeah, so I'm going, you know. Yeah. Ooh, that water cold, boy. Yeah, baby. That's what's up, shore fishing. This is what we live for, guys. Ooh, I feel that sink already. I don't like that sink feeling on the feet. But I have brackish water fishing, guys. Ooh, I just seen something run a while ago. Some kind of fish. I don't know what it was. But it gets a little deep here. Holy shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. And then it goes back up again. Yep, I knew my shorts was gonna get wet. Soft in here. Dogger territory. Let's get that lure up there, guys. Let's see what we can hook on. Oh, long jaw chasing already. Long jaw trying to hit it. Ooh, Barra hit after it, guys. You seen that, guys? Barra just hit after it right there. Barra. A whole bunch of barras chasing it. See them? See all of them jumping, guys? Woo! Barra hit it. Yeah, he hit it, but he missed. Wade fishing, guys. Damn, my leg's sinking in the mud. Shoes coming off. Not good feeling. Move out a little bit on the reef. Let's get out there. Nice, guys. Ooh, they're hitting it over there. You see that, guys? Trying to get to some hard ground, and it's just getting so I got hit by a couple of barrels already, but they missed, but they're small. On the river. So I'm soaked already, guys. My pants is all wet. I'm glad I emptied all my pockets out. I'm trying to get to harder sand, but it just gets murky and murkier like the river came down, and the sand here is just getting softer and softer, guys. One lure, guys. Give it one more shot. Come on. All right, Jill, ready to go, Jill. Ready. Bro, it got deeper out here, number one. Get deeper. Yeah. Two, the ground is not as hard as it was going out. The sand got really soft and murky out here. So I have to be following back my footprints that I walked out to make sure I come back in the same track, because I'm sinking. I'm literally sinking, yo. Like, I have to keep on. Oh shit, this one I try to show you? Which is not an issue, because I brought a towel with me to put on my seat. Or, yeah, I know. This is not good. That's not good. Best one put on waterproof my seat and we're good. Come in, Larry. Chub. Chub. Where? Up so. Hi guys, the whole crew I moved to the thing now, guys. So I moved on done, so we was just filming down there to see what we could pick up. But unfortunately we didn't see anything, and hopefully I don't get rushed by them dogs again. Yo, mind that dog there, no? Come, Larry. Come, baby, no sit down, don't sit down, come. Oh, you wanna wait for me, man? You wanna wait for me? Come, Larry, come up, go between with Larry. I run no joke today, guys. Larry, stay between and don't run. Just stay between me and them. Around here, say bad dog, then the rush. About 12 of them around here to us. Gio, remember the way we walk up there, right, Gio? Remember the way to walk? Let's follow now, Larry. Damn, under here gets flooded too. Stay to the right. Go on to the right, man. Just go on right. Sure. Jay, where you go? Okay. I took about 12 of them around here, you know, dogs. See right trail where. Alright. I got your number right here, dogs. Like a ninja. Yo, this is the track under these mangroves, dogs. Yeah, guys. Ooh, holy shit. Alright, there's some crossings that you're gonna have to jump across, alright? No, Nell. Go straight. Straight and go left. Hold on the lorry. Alright, guys. Eh? Which line? You want a regular line, hand line? Yo, take off where you take off of this. The bag have everything right what we need, Gio. You guys want to get some cast out to that reef. Get some cast back this way too. Yeah? Yeah? No. Sink and hook in that tub there, that little container there. But try your best left me 3 ounce them here. Use the spark plug them because they're easier for pop off on the something there. Yeah. Just knock the end and close it and use it as weight. Now I set up the drop line in a minute. I'm just throwing out some lures for a second. Here guys, so Super got line set. Eh? Hook there on the line there, and hook there in my bag too. This is a bag, yeah. Alright, well come and get hook over here so then. You come behind me and you see a bumbo cloth thing, dogs. See what happen when I cast out there? I look behind me and make sure I clear first, you know. You going on your skin? Eh? Yeah. You know something, I'm going to pull you out though. Dogs, don't come behind me when I cast, dogs. Hold on there, Gio. Jesus Christ. Nell, all me talk to the man not to come behind me when I cast lure, brother. Gio, you know something, I'm going to pull you out.
Okay, players.
Gio think this is a joke, dog. I'm not even laughing. No, Gio. Me, man. Hold on, dog.
Man, Jerry, what I did, I'm saying.
Can the rum come? You see? Yo, Gio.
Yo, Jerry, what are you can't Yankee outside? What are they, Jerry? Let me play. Take off your players, give me Jerry.
Hold on. Let me take off the line. Let me take off the line before I take on my damn rod. Dangers of fishing, Gio. Watch yourself before you step on my fishing rod, bro. No, but the dog go stand up behind me. The dog knows somebody out here cast dogs. Yo, you make that shit sour up on you, it's gonna be harder to come out. I'll tell you that now.
Brother, you don't see thing they don't.
Alright, so here we are going. You see that?
Jerry,
skin
take off that there and give me. Take it off and give me.
Gio, I have to pull it out for you. You can't pull it out.
Man, me can't take you out.
Nah, man, touch
me take you out. Bad man.
Touch the thing, I just a foot.
Bad man, you see look skin, me have to cut off that little skin there. Yeah, me have to cut off one of them. So me have to take my knife and bust the skin dogs on one of them. So either you let me do what I'm doing, dogs, and help the situation quickly and get that shit out.
Just jog out this thing.
The man don't stand up behind me when me go for cast dogs and the hook lodge right in my leg. Yo, who have a sharp knife? This is not sharp enough. Want something sharp.
Just come on, supply me.
Yes.
Nell, me have to cut the little skin over the other hook.
No, I can do it, man, Jerry.
You know, guys, this is a shit, man. This is that thing that happens in fishing that I don't want to happen to anybody, guys. Look at this. You got the skin off that one? Eh? Just pop that little piece of skin, Gio. Pop the little piece of skin. The hair, just cut it, bust it. Bust it, bro. Quickly. Just throw some rump on it first. Throw some rump on it first. See rum, yeah. Throw a little rump on it. A good thing, so we'll buy rum. Hold it. Hold on there. We have a fishing accident. Because the man go stand up behind me on the cast my lure. And the lure hook in my leg. So we have to cut out the lure out of my leg now. So you know why I cuss bad word.
Yo, I want to bad man. Well, watch your hand, brother.
Bad man, why you gotta act like a little girl?
Brother Jerry. Hey man.
Because Gio now what? Gio go stand up behind me and call out say yo Jerry or nothing. Gio, give me the knife.
Jerry, nah man, Jerry.
Gio, let me just fucking do the
Jerry,
thing, Gio.
you can do it, Mr. Jerry. Wait no man.
Alright, there goes one of the skin. Just lift it up. Lift it up out of the skin. Lift it out of that piece of skin right there.
One more time, brother.
Just cut behind the hook, Gio. Cut behind the hook. You know, cut it, I still see the little string.
Gio, give me the knife, brother.
You're afraid of me and the knife, you're fat.
I know the thing not cut, brother.
Give me a knife, Gio.
If this no cut,
can I get a knife?
Yo, everything, brother.
I'm afraid of me and the knife. Backside, what's up, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Venture for adventure.
In that place, huh?
That's it, guys.
I know you're ready.
Alright, now the hard part now.
Just push that part through.
You let me push it through and cut the hook.
Just push it through.
You let me push it.
Push it through.
But I'm gonna have to cut the hook.
You don't have to cut it, you can just press on the bar and just pull out the bar.
Eh?
I'm gonna have to cut the hook.
We go to signature next part.
Alright, so you want me to pull it out?
That can't work.
Hook gone in deep, you know? We can't pull it out, see him, you know? Here, Gio. Here.
Push it right through now. Now we'll come back out.
Yeah, you can.
We have to press it down.
But Gio stand up right behind me when I cast the lure, bro. That's not good. Gio no call out, him know the rule already. Look behind you, clear cast.
I say look apart if you come. You should be true myself, brother.
Brother, just
go
pull out the hook.
fishing, bad man.
Bad man, you have me lure upon your damn leg. What you want me to do?
Get something big this man.
Get something big.
You say things that's so sloppy dog.
Yo, dogs, I can't believe this is happening to me again, bro. Last time was through this hand. It went right through this hand.
Jamaica, brother.
Look at the man a sweat. The man there saw sweat.
Should be too way.
Easy, I got you, man.
Bad man wait there, man. Who should be too
And then
skinny?
just cut off the sharp part.
At least me know say them hook they easy to come out still because the long jaw always come off of them easy. Punish a lure, yeah. But if it was one of the bigger lure, oh God! You get with a duck get a big hook, them there no boy, 4X hook, you know.
You can't
Pull
even
it back out, Gio.
see- you can't even
Let me
see
pull it
me
back
out.
out, Gio. Watch out. Move, watch your hand.
Jerry?
Yo, look here now.
Man, let me pull you up.
Gio, let me help you and take out the sitting now, Gio. You walk around till it.
Me pull you up myself, Jerry.
Jesus Christ,
Me
guys.
pull you up myself.
Man, you go step on my fishing rod over
The
there.
whole bait.
Dog, I sort of fuck.
It take.
Here, bro. Here. Don't lose my pliers, please. You hear me?
Let me tell you about it, man.
Here. See something here, so here. Put this back over the string. The other end. Yeah. I'll clip you on. Nah, bro, I ain't hit nothing yet. Gio got me here with a hook in his leg. Don't lose my spoon lure, bro. Yo, bro. That's my killer for yesterday. I killed so much fish on that lure yesterday. It's not even funny. Now I take out the drop line gears and now, guys. Yeah, now I take out drop line gears now. Because right now, Gio does my whole lower fishing beds. Gio make not even want to cast out again a blood lead. I hook you on right now? Eh?
Yeah.
Hold this. So I go and venture. Gio, all you have to do is just look the other way. I'm going to play it and just draw out the fin sitting, man. I've done it 3 times already, bro. Hold this. Eh? Hold that. Hold this. Hey, you don't have hook now? I mean barrow?
Yeah, I'm a barrow.
Oh, okay.
Very kind of for me.
What that, fishing?
Luring. The lure cast.
Why?
I see a barrow for you.
What?
Nah, man, I'm more than one hook, me give.
Larry said I behave like a girl child.
Gio, you gonna sit there all day with my spoon lure in your leg, dog? That's my fish catching lure, you know that, right? I'm just saying, just let me take out the lure out your leg and get it over with, bro. Once I do that, last week mine was worse than yours. It went, look here, straight through my hand, me go super. Jackfish flashing in my hand. Yeah?
I'll show you Jack come and catch.
Gio, just go and pull you out quick, man. Quick, one pull. Just bring it to the edge and just go so yap, one yap. But somebody else have to do it for you because you're not gonna put the strength when I'm putting a hit. Gio, you wanna go to the doctors? You wanna go to the doctors, bro? They can put you to sleep and shit. Cool, man. These are jig heads. These are like snapper jig heads. They're like, you see the jig head? This is the jig head for it. So this work with these soft plastics. These are the extras for this. So they may work on like jackfish. These will work like anything like barra, anything like that. So they're good lures, bro. They're soft plastic. But these you bounce off the bottom.
I know from the patient.
Oh shit. Alright, thank you, bro. Appreciate these. You got these? Oh shit. Yeah. Different colors, different kinds.
The one they call no live bait.
Yeah.
NLMB.
Alright, cool. I'll drop these in the bag. Let me drop these in that box over there. Huh? Damn. Find the size I jack. Nice size. Me catch one big one. Me catch a couple of big jack yesterday. Yeah. Yeah, super catch one eel already, guys. Me not mess with that. Me don't know a fool.
One of them. He didn't ask.
Come in, bro. Take out the knife there, Larry. Give me it. Come on, let's go. Larry, walk on this flat rock them here. Oh, come on. Climb down off of these tall rocks here. I don't know how nail hole that they sitting in your hand, you know? Me not hold that they sitting there at all. You're mad? Then bite. Gio, you know take out the something out of your leg yet? Hey. This sharp, you know? Hold here.
Give me that. This.
Hold this.
Oh, brother, this is more. This is sharp, brother.
Gio, rip and take out this out of your leg. Larry, walk around. Yes. This is it. All right. Maro, can't stand there, come now. And the cooler. Here guys, so I moved up further up on the cliffside. I'm gonna set some lines up here. I got ventured for adventures here, guys. He came up and meet me. Gio got a hook in his leg, as you guys see. I don't know how the hell he's gonna get that out, but he's there messing with it. I gave him the plies and stuff. I was trying to get it out for him, but he was not trying to hear it. Excuse the words earlier. And I was really trying not to curse, but on the levels like this, it's just an exciting moment. The situation happened, and we're trying to get the hook out of his leg as quick as possible, but he's being a wussy about it, so I have to just leave him be and let him do what he's doing and get the thing out. All right, so we'll set up here now and get the drop line set up. Give me that, Deborah. Pass up. Eh? Yo guys, Gio still got this hook in his leg. The line went off? My phone? Your phone? Oh, a super phone and ring. Hold the back of the hook barrel.
Oh, you clip the skin barrel. Jump, so every minute. I mean, soon in a minute. Just make Jerry check that thing. No, better you mad.
Yeah, guys, I'm not even laughing about this, guys. It's a bad situation right now. Gio got a hook in the back of his leg. I hooked him. At least I can't say I went home and I didn't catch anything today. So caught Gio really good. Damn it, boy. Venture for Adventure is here, guys. Venture for Adventure is here filming also, catching some live baits and casting out some live bait fishing. Have not picked up anything yet because of the fact of this situation that's going on. Not really paying attention to my rod. I just want to get this hook out Gio's leg. So with all said and done, guys, stay tuned to Making Sure Fishing. We are out here, guys, definitely. Yeah, guys, so we're here doing some drop line fishing, and I ran low on weights already because everybody's here is fishing, so I kind of have to give everybody weights. So I'm gonna pause and just do some lure fishing off the cliff edge for a little while. Gio got messed up with some Gio got hit with whatchamacallit, guys, one of the lures a while ago, and the hook went to his leg, so he's trying to cut that thing out of his leg right now. So that's what's up, guys. So I'm getting hitched up on reefs and all kinds of stuff here, but I got one line to set still. Got hitched up a while ago. gonna set this one out and then cast out some big lure. Oh shit, I got a wind knot. Fudge bucket. I got a wicked wind knot. How the hell did that happen? Cast out a while ago, guys. How the hell did that just reach me a while ago? But let's figure it out, right? Even though I'm probably going to be hitched up down there on the wall, but I don't know why that happened, but it sucks. Big lure, guys. Big lure, big fish. Oh! Shit. Big lure, big fish. Switch this lure off. Put another big one on. This lure was done by New Look at Top Water Lures. New Look at Lures, Top Water Poppers. He built these lures, guys. Sent these lures down to me from New York. Custom made lures to Jamaican shore fishing. Are you do that? Huh? Are you do that?
No, the line I put in.
Gia, you go over my line? You don't know better than that? Oi! Come up here and grow on the line, man. It's a top water lure, it's a popper. This is a popper. It's called a popper. This is for the jackfish and the big barras and the big muff. It's a popper. This was custom made for me from New York. Had it sent down for me. Them are deep water, they love, you know, man. I just had a massive chase a while ago on one of these lures, bro. That was crazy. Oh shit. I'd be a lock for me, you know. Damn, bro. I just lost a damn good lure. The good thing about it is that it floats. But me not see it. Fuck, I just lost the lure. My big popper that new look built for me. You know, just drop off now water, just a look while. You know, sink, it float. Where? Yeah. Then I so fast sing out, that's all? Nah, man. Alright, that's how you lower drop, you know. Can't go. Where? Nah, son, no fire drop. Alright, that's how you drop. Pop off I lure and drop right as I look off. Pop off of this, the bail closed for me. But you know how big lures are. Once the bail closes and then the line locks, that's it. Sends that bitch breaking. And the shit is not like it's somewhere where I can lure cast it back in. Can't see it. And it's a floating lure. Oh well. Next move.
What that mean?
What that?
Next move.
If I make up another leader. Then Gio, then cut off the hook out of your foot.
Watch your back, Gio, watch your back.
Well, this was an experience today.
No, you learn. No, him.
No, I'm just saying, I'm just glad I'm not the one that got hooked today. I'm just glad I'm not the one that got the hook today. Gio got the hook today, and I didn't get it today. Well, you know what I'm saying? It's always a painful situation for me. in that. Here, put this in with the rest of them too. Huh? Put in my bag. You won't make it rust up with the rest of something. Jamaican shore fishing. I'm gonna close this video like this. Alright, review of today. We didn't catch any fish. That's number one. Number two, a whole bunch of issues behind the spots that we went to. I went to the first spot that I went to. I should never had went there first. I should have went to the original spot that we went to after that. I should have just stopped there originally and just started casting out from that point. Then I would most likely have picked something up. But due to the time of pushing out and timing today was off today, bro. It was just something was off, guys. Just didn't happen today, didn't mature, didn't even pick up on a bite. And as you guys seen, Gio got hooked. That was crazy. Gio definitely got hooked with a hook in his leg. We had to get that out. So that kind of dampened things a bit because my boy got hurt. That wasn't nice. I wasn't feeling too good about that. And if you guys realized how I acted when it happened, because I was that upset about it, of him getting hurt, because he's like a son to me, you know what I'm saying? I take him out with me all the time. Me and him go out fishing together all the time. If you guys go back in some of my video, Joe's been with me for years. So the whole entire Rio Bueno crew, Gio, Nell, Barrow, and we also ran into Venture for Adventure. Venture for Adventure, big up yourself. Thank you for linking up. I appreciate you, bro. You pushed out. I was definitely out there. And we linked up. We didn't pick anything up. Even though we had live bait, shrimps, lures, everything, we did not grab anything. And thank you for the soft plastics lure, Venture for Adventure. I appreciate you 100%, my brother. Big up yourselves. Stay tuned, guys. Next epic adventure coming soon. I'm going to push it out. Get out there. Get some consistency on. The challenge is on, guys. On and popping. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.